Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Samos Islands in Greece, a stunning gem that's packed with history, gorgeous beaches, and some of the tastiest food you'll ever try. Whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, or just someone looking for a relaxing getaway, Samos has something for everyone. But is it perfect? Well, let's dive in and find out. First off, the positives. Samos is beautiful. The island is lush and green, with crystal clear waters and charming villages like Pythagorean and Kokari. The beaches are major highlights. Samos and Limonakia are absolute must visit, with their soft sand and nice waves. If you're into history, you'll love the ancient ruins, including the Heraion, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the Eupalinian Tunnel, an incredible feat of ancient engineering. Now let's talk food. Samos is famous for its sweet muscat wine, and trust me, you'll want to try it. The local tavernas serve up fresh seafood, grilled octopus, and dishes like revito keftedes that are bursting with flavor. The dining scene is relaxed but high quality, and you can find everything from budget-friendly spots to fancier seaside restaurants. But it's not all sunshine and olives. Salmon can get crowded in peak season, especially in July and August. Some beaches get packed, and prices for accommodation and dining can spike. If you prefer a quieter experience, consider visiting in May, June, or September, when the weather is still great, but the crowd thin out. Another downside, public transport isn't the most reliable. Renting a car or ATV is your best bet for exploring the island fully. Budget-friendly tip? Absolutely. For food, skip the touristy seafront spots and head inland to family-run tavernas, where portions are bigger and prices are lower. Look for combo tickets if you're visiting multiple archaeology sites. They'll save you a few euros. Accommodation-wise, consider staying in smaller villages or book early for the best deals. And if you're a wine lover, many local wineries offer tasting for a fraction of what you've paid elsewhere. Overall, Samos is a fantastic destination with a lot to offer. It's got the perfect mix of relaxation, adventure, and culture, though it's wise to plan ahead to avoid peak season hassles. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more travel tips. Tripify.